Hello everyone, this is the shower cleaner and I've been really very happy with it recently. It's dead easy to clean and it's dead compact as well. Now it's not too heavy and it is made out of plastic, but I originally got this because I needed to not only scrub the glass, and if you get limescale build-up, that's actually really handy. You can actually just scrub the glass and get the limescale off, but also I needed a way to get into all the cracks and corners, you know, when it's like at the angle just like that in the corner, and it's this little bit right here that does a really useful little job. It's dead cool. Now, not just that, but also, if you look on the inside, it's got a kind of like a tweezer sort of thing. And I don't know about you, but there's lots of hair that gets caught in the actual shower drain. So all you do is take this out and you can actually dig and get all of those shower hairs out. And it's even got little rigid areas. Let me just kind of open it up so you can see it. Yeah, there we go. These little rigid areas that allow you to just scrape more off. And when you're done with that, you literally just pull it in just like that, or you actually pull it this way up, okay? And you just slot it in and bang, that's now in, and it's pretty stable. It's not going to fall out. I've been really impressed with this. It's been careful with this bit. It is a little bit sharp, but not sharp enough to damage anything, just a little bit sharp. But it's been really, really handy, just getting in all the little areas and scrubbing away. Yeah, I would definitely recommend this product.